Hi everyone! Now we are going to overview the email tracking statistics page. There are 5 main tabs in email tracking. One of them that usually causes the majority of users' questions is the App Statistics tab. Once you locate the App Statistics page, you'll see the 5 different numbers on the top of the page. Emails sent. This displays the number of emails you have sent since you started using the application. Opened shows the count of emails that were actually opened by its recipient and tracked by the app. Opened average rate displays the percentage of emails that were opened by their recipients. Average bounce rate indicates the percentage of emails that were sent through the email tracking app but weren't opened. Average time from sent to open. Our app will track and display the average period of time it takes for your recipients to open the email after it was sent. Let's dive into the 6 drop-down lists that enable you to display the statistics with the needed settings. At first, you can choose a specific group of agents or even select all groups. In the second drop-down, you can select the exact agent from the chosen group or several agents to exclude from the statistics. You can display the tracking statistics for yourself or any agent from your company to see how your work has paid off. Or you can see the data for all agents altogether. So, choose the needed amount of agents in the drop-down list to display in the chart. The number of curves on each chart corresponds to the number of agents you have selected and changes depending on the quantity. Then, you can select the reporting period. Keep in mind that the app can only display the relevant information for the periods since you installed the app. From now, you can create a statistics report for exact days, weeks, or even years. To do it, select the reporting period field and choose the start and end date or proposed period. For longer periods, like 6 and 3 months, the data will be divided and displayed in charts month by month, week by week, or day by day. For shorter periods, like last and previous month, you can check the information about your email performance divided by days or weeks. Last month setting displays the information starting exactly a month from the current date. Previous month setting shows the stats for the month before the last month, meaning it starts exactly 2 months before the current date and ends exactly 1 month before the current date. The fourth drop-down is created for users that have other GrowthDot apps installed. For instance, Proactive Campaigns allows users to send out mass email campaigns to user lists. Thus, if you have both email tracking and Proactive Campaigns added to your Zendesk instance, you'll be able to track the email opens and see the statistics for emails sent through the latter only. From recent, you have an opportunity to select the exact macro to be shown in your statistics. Just select the needed one. Also, select a specific trigger to display stats for triggered tickets. And the last drop-down is for statistics by tags. Select one tag or several of them and include them in your statistics to create charts by marked emails since we have added such an option. Also, download filtered data to several common used formats. Now, let's move on to the most interesting part, the charts. We believe that using charts is beneficial for visual comprehension of information. Thus, our users can compare the results for different users, periods, apps, etc. Let's take a look at them separately. The first one allows you to visually see the correlation between the sent and opened emails. This one lets you compare how your average bounce rate has changed over time. The last one helps you understand the change of the average response time throughout various periods. All these settings on the App Statistics page are created to assist your understanding of how certain emails or email campaigns perform through time, and that's all for today. Visit GrowthDot.com and subscribe to our channel to know more about the latest apps updates, Zendesk themes, and services.